Hello, everyone. We are from EazyGurus. It's an honor to speak with you today about an incredibly exciting and rapidly evolving field that has the potential to revolutionize industries, transform creative processes, and open up a world of new career opportunities. Yes, I'm talking about generative AI. In today's world, the importance of generative AI cannot be overstated. We live an era where technology is seamlessly integrated into every aspect of our lives, from the art we enjoy to the products we use, and even the solutions to the most complex global challenges. AI is at the forefront. And the news headlines which you are seeing on your screen are for real. Companies are looking to hire experts, those who understands AI in general, and generative AI is particularly transformative because it goes beyond simple automation. It empowers machines to create, whether it's generating realistic images, composing music, writing coherent text, or even designing innovative solutions. This ability to generate new content and idea is not just a technological marvel, it's a cornerstone of the next wave of innovation. So, what exactly is generative AI? Generative AI involves algorithms that can produce new content by learning from existing data. Techniques like generative adversarial networks, GANs, and variational autoencoders, VAEs, enable these systems to create incredibly lifelike images, videos, text, and more. But that's not all. A critical aspect of harnessing the power of generative AI is prompt engineering. This is the art and science of crafting the right inputs or prompts to guide the AI in generating desired outputs. Effective prompt engineering can significantly enhance the performance and creativity of generative models, making it a vital skill for anyone looking to excel in this field. Generative AI, machine learning, and NLP, natural language processing, are distinct yet interconnected fields within AI, each with its own specialized techniques, applications, and career opportunities. Understanding their differences and how they complement each other can help you navigate the rapidly evolving landscape of AI and choose a career path that aligns with your interests and goals. Generative AI refers to algorithms that can generate new content by learning patterns from existing data. It can create images, music, text, and other media. Techniques like generative adversarial networks, GANs, and variational autoencoders are common in this field. Machine learning is a broader subset of AI focused on developing algorithms that allow computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. It encompasses various types of learning, including supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Coming to NLP, your natural language processing is a subfield of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. It involves understanding, interpreting, and generating human language. Techniques in NLP include sentiment analysis, machine translation, and language generation. Talking about generative AI involves a variety of techniques aimed at creating new synthetic data that mimics the characteristics of a given data set. Here, I'll delve into some of the most prominent generative AI techniques, explaining how they work and their applications. First one is GAN. Generative adversarial networks consist of two different neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, that are trained simultaneously through a process called as adversarial training. Generator creates fake data that resembles the real data. Discriminator evaluates the data and tries to distinguish between real and fake data. How they work? They have training process. So the generator creates synthetic data, which is then fed to the discriminator along with real data. The discriminator attempts to differentiate between the two. Then you have adversarial training. The generator improves by learning to produce more convincing data, while the discriminator gets better at detecting fake data. This adversarial process continues until the generator produces data that the discriminator can no longer reliably distinguish from real data. So the application of GANs include image generation, creating realistic images from noise like deep art, data augmentation, generating additional training data for machine learning models, style transfer. So the style transfer is applying the style of one image to the content of another. Talking about variational autoencoders or VAE. VAEs are a type of autoencoder that generates new data by learning a probabilistic representation of the input data. So it has encoder which compresses the input data into a latent space. Decoder reconstructs the data from the latent space representation. How they work? They have latent space. So VAEs learn to encode input data into a latent space that captures the underlying distribution of the data. Then you have sampling. A new data is generated by sampling from the latent space and decoding it back into the original data space. So its application includes image reconstruction. So reconstructing images from compressed representation. You have data generation, creating new data samples similar to the training data. Anomaly detection, identifying anomalies by comparing reconstruction errors. Then you also have transformers for text generation. So transformers are neural network architectures designed to handle sequential data, particularly text. They use self-attention mechanisms to process input sequences and generate coherent output sequences. So they have self-attention mechanism, which allows the model to weigh the importance of different parts of the input sequence when generating each part of the output sequence. Then we talk about training, typically trained on large text corpora to learn the probabilities of word sequences. Its application includes in language modeling, predicting the next word in a sequence to generate coherent text, machine translation, translating text from one language to another, text summarization, creating concise summaries of longer text. Talking about the applications of generative AI has diverse applications across various fields, showcasing its ability to create new content and solutions. So here are some key applications in different domains. You have art and design. So AI generated artworks and styles, enabling new forms of creative expressions. Generative AI can create automated design suggestions and generation of unique patterns and layouts. Then about entertainment, creating original music and soundtracks, aiding musicians and producers, generating game assets, characters, and environments to enhance creativity and efficiency. Applications in healthcare includes drug discovery, medical imaging, enhancing and synthesizing medical images for better diagnostics and training. Then talking about fashion, you have clothing design, you have virtual try-ons, so simulating how clothes fits and looks on different body types. Then you have marketing and advertising. So content creation, you have generating personalized marketing content, including text, images, and videos, customer insights, analyzing and predicting customer behavior through synthetic data generation. Talking about finance, we can perform algorithmic trading, risk assessment using generative AI. Education, tutoring systems like creating personalized educational content and exercises tailored to individual learning needs. Content generation can also be done using generative AI. Talking about real estate, you have property design, virtual staging. These are the examples from real estate. Automotive, you talk about autonomous driving, simulating driving scenarios for training self-driving cars, like generating diverse road conditions. Car design, assisting in the creation of innovative vehicle designs and features. Customer service, chatbots, developing conversational agents that can generate human-like responses, improving customer interactions. Virtual assistants, enhancing the capabilities of AI assistants to handle complex tasks and queries. Generative AI's ability to produce new and innovative content makes it a powerful tool across these and many other fields, driving efficiency, creativity, and new opportunities for development and growth. Did I tell you that you can make money by just being a prompt engineer? Look at these, again, headlines picked from various sources. You can easily make over 300K per annum in US, and it's popular in India as well. And it can easily fetch you a salary of more than 20 lakhs per annum. Now let's talk about the future. For those who are considering a career in AI, specializing in generative AI offers unparalleled opportunities. Here are just a few career paths that are open to you. AI research scientist, drive the cutting edge research in the generative models and contribute to advancements in the field. machine learning engineer, implement and optimize generative algorithms in real world applications from startups to tech giants. Creative technologists combine art and technology to create innovative content and experiences in industries like entertainment, fashion, and media. Data scientists use generative models to enhance data analysis, predictive trends, and develop new data driven products. Product manager for AI solutions lead the development of AI driven products, ensuring they meet the market needs and leverage the full potential of generative technologies. Ethics and policy advisor shape the guidelines and policies around ethical use of generative AI, ensuring its benefits are maximized while minimizing potential harms. Generative AI is not just a niche area of study, it's a dynamic interdisciplinary field with the power to shape the future of the technology and also creativity. By enrolling in this course, you will gain the skills and knowledge needed to be at the forefront of this revolution. You will learn how to build and refine generative models, master prompt engineering, and apply these techniques to real world challenges. Imagine being part of a community of innovators who are redefining what's possible. Whether you want to develop the next breakthrough AI technology, create stunning digital art, or influence the ethical frameworks that guide AI development, this course is your gateway. Thank you for attention. I look forward to seeing you in the course and embarking on this exciting journey together. Contact us today for more detailed syllabus and other details